Hi there! In this video, I will show you how you can turn your PC clean forever. Windows 11, first part. Just follow with me until the end. Let's get started now. First, click in your keyboard Windows key +R. Then type this command as you see. Then click OK. Now select all temporary files, because your PC don't need it. So select all and delete it. Now we move to the next step. With the same previous steps, we type this command. Then click OK. Now choose your specific partitions you want to clean. Click OK. Now here choose this 3 option, as you see. Click OK, then click Delete Files. Now we're done. See you in the next part of Make Your Windows Clean.